If you want to change the PHP version in Namecheap CPanel, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Changing your PHP version can help with website compatibility, improve performance, and make sure your site works properly with your themes, plugins, or scripts. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans are shown. Next to the hosting plan you want to manage, click Go to CPanel. This will take you into your hosting control panel, where you can adjust important site settings. Now that you're in CPanel, scroll down until you find the section called Exclusive for Namecheap customers. Namecheap places some special tools in this area, and this is where you'll find the PHP settings tool. From here, click Select PHP version. Once the PHP selector opens, you'll see different tabs and options for managing your server's PHP configuration. Click the Options tab. This is where you can find the setting for your active PHP version dropdown. This dropdown lets you choose which PHP version your website should use. Click the dropdown and select the PHP version you want to use. It's always a good idea to choose the version your website supports, especially if you're running WordPress, WooCommerce, or a custom PHP application. If you're not sure which version to use, check the requirements for your website before making the change. After selecting the version, click Apply. Namecheap will update your PHP version for that hosting account. Give it a few moments to process, and then your site should start using the new PHP version right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed the PHP version in Namecheap CPanel. This is a simple but important setting, and now you know exactly where to find it and how to update it whenever you need to. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next hosting and website setup guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.